Hi there, friend. Today we have a fun and easy problem. We need to find the last five letters of the English alphabet and write them as a set. First, let's remember what tabular form means. It just means we write all the members of our set inside these curly brackets. We put commas between each member. That's it. Let's think about our ABCs. The English alphabet starts at A and ends at Z. There are 26 letters in total. We need the last 5 letters, so let's count backwards from Z. Let's count backwards from Z. Z is the last one, Y comes before it, then X, then W, then V. So the last 5 letters are V, W, X, Y, and Z. Easy peasy. Now we just write all 5 letters inside our curly brackets with commas between them, and we put the letter C with an equal sign in front because C is the name of our set. Great job! Our answer is C equals the set V, W, X, Y, Z. We found the last 5 letters of the alphabet and wrote them in tabular form. You did amazing, superstar!